Welcome, aspiring speakers, to a journey of discovery and empowerment. In the world of public speaking, the ability to connect with your audience is paramount. Whether you're addressing a small group or a packed auditorium, your ability to forge instant connections can make or break your message. Today, we'll explore the art of connection, unlocking the secrets to connecting with anyone straight away. Get ready to dive deep, unlock your charisma, and captivate your audience like never before. You step onto the stage, the spotlight shining down, and faces staring back at you expectantly. In that moment, the key to success isn't just what you say, it's how you connect with your audience. But how do you bridge that gap and create an instant rapport that captivates hearts and minds? Understanding the power of connection. Before we delve into the strategies for connecting with anyone straight away, let's first understand why connection matters. At its core, connection is about building trust, rapport, and understanding with your audience. It's about creating a shared experience, a moment of resonance and authenticity that leaves a lasting impression. When you connect with your audience, you create an emotional bond that transcends words alone. You make them feel seen, heard, and valued, fostering a sense of connection and community that elevates your message to new heights. The anatomy of connection. So, what does it take to connect with anyone straight away? Let's break it down. Connection is a multifaceted process that encompasses several key elements, each playing a crucial role in building rapport and engagement. From body language and vocal delivery to empathy and authenticity, mastering these components will enable you to connect with your audience on a deeper level and leave a lasting impression. 1. Authenticity. Authenticity is the cornerstone of connection. It's about being genuine, transparent, and true to yourself in every interaction. When you speak from the heart and share your authentic self with your audience, you create a powerful bond based on trust and vulnerability. Embrace your quirks, flaws, and imperfections. These are what make you uniquely you. When you let your true self shine through, you invite others to do the same, fostering an environment of openness and authenticity. 2. Empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's about stepping into someone else's shoes, seeing the world through their eyes, and validating their experiences and emotions. When you approach your audience with empathy and compassion, you create a safe space for them to open up and connect with you on a deeper level. Listen actively, acknowledge their perspective, and respond with kindness and understanding. 3. Active listening. Active listening is a fundamental skill in the art of connection. It's about fully engaging with your audience, tuning into their words, thoughts, and emotions, and responding in a way that shows you're truly present and attentive. Avoid the temptation to simply wait for your turn to speak. Instead, focus on understanding and empathizing with what your audience is saying. Ask thoughtful questions, nod in agreement, and make eye contact to show that you're actively listening and engaged. 4. Authentic body language. Body language is a powerful form of nonverbal communication that can either enhance or undermine your connection with your audience. From your posture and gestures to your facial expressions and eye contact, every movement sends a message. Adopt an open and confident posture. Stand tall, shoulders back, and arms relaxed at your sides. Use expressive gestures to emphasize your points and convey enthusiasm and passion. Maintain steady eye contact to establish trust and connection with your audience. 5. Vocal delivery. Your voice is a powerful tool for connecting with your audience. From your tone and pitch to your pacing and volume, vocal delivery can convey emotion, emphasis, and meaning in your words. Speak with clarity and confidence, projecting your voice to reach every corner of the room. Vary your tone and inflection to keep your audience engaged and convey the emotional nuances of your message. And don't forget to pause for emphasis, allowing your words to sink in and resonate with your audience. 6. Shared experience. Connection thrives on shared experiences, moments of connection and resonance that bring you and your audience closer together. Whether it's through storytelling, humor, or shared values, finding common ground builds rapport and fosters a sense of connection. Share personal anecdotes, insights, and examples that your audience can relate to. Draw from universal themes and experiences that resonate across cultures and backgrounds. By creating a shared experience, you bridge the gap between yourself and your audience, forging a bond that transcends words alone. 7. Vulnerability. Vulnerability is the key to deepening connection. It's about being willing to show your authentic self, flaws and all, and embracing the discomfort that comes with being truly seen and heard. Share your challenges, fears, and failures openly and honestly. When you allow yourself to be vulnerable, you invite your audience to do the same, creating a space for genuine connection and empathy to flourish. 8. Adaptability. Connection requires flexibility and adaptability. It's about meeting your audience where they are, adapting your approach to their needs and preferences, and being responsive to their feedback and cues. Pay attention to the energy and vibe of the room. Adjust your pace, tone, and content accordingly to keep your audience engaged and connected. Be willing to pivot and improvise as needed, embracing spontaneity and authenticity in your interactions. 9. Genuine interest. Finally, genuine interest is the secret ingredient to connection. It's about showing curiosity, respect, and appreciation for your audience and their experiences. Ask questions, seek out common ground, and show appreciation for your audience's contributions. When you demonstrate genuine interest in your audience, you create a sense of reciprocity and mutual respect that deepens your connection and leaves a lasting impression. And there you have it, your guide to mastering the art of connection in public speaking. Whether you're addressing a small group or a large audience, remember that the key to success lies in your ability to forge genuine connections that resonate with your audience on a deep and meaningful level. So, go forth, aspiring speakers, and unlock the power of connection in your speeches and presentations. With practice, patience, and a whole lot of heart, you'll soon find yourself connecting with anyone straight away, leaving a lasting impact wherever you go. Thank you for joining me on this journey to master the art of connection in public speaking. If you found this video helpful and insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest content designed to help you become a more confident and impactful speaker. Let's continue to learn and grow together on this exciting journey. And remember, your support means the world to us. Until next time, keep connecting, keep speaking, and keep shining your light.